Hi, my name is Maddie, and we're going to be opening some surprises in the Expressens purse. Let's open it up. Wow, tons and tons of goodies. I see this trash pack one that's already unwrapped. Some of this stuff will be unwrapped because I already unwrapped them. And, wow, these things are cool. This kind of looks like a grasshopper type thing. This looks like a slug. I'm not sure. Let's do some research about them. See, I have my little... Whoa, I just ripped it. Wow. I have my little research thing that we're going to do some research on. And it looks like, if I'm not mistaken, that they are bin insects. And yep, they are. The slug, I think, was a squashed maggot. And, maggot. And then, the grasshopper thing that I called it was, a mass mansense, I think. Not sure about that. Now we have a Hello Kitty Series 1, which is also opened. Okay, so it's in this white baggie that we're going to cut open. I want to like rip the toy inside. But oh my gosh, this is so cute. Let's look her up. Yes, we did get this one. I really wanted like this one or the ballerine dancer, but I guess it wasn't time for that one yet. Okay, we're on our last prize pack, I think. And we have the Littlest Pet Shop Series 2 animals, I guess. It includes a Pet Friends accessory and a deco bit. Okay. Well, I try to guess these, but I guess I can't today. OMG, it's the one that I wanted. I love pigs. I'm like obsessed. Wow. It's just weird that that goes shooting. Yeah, it did. Here it is. So I think what we do is we put this pig in there. Looks like she's like chilling out. And there's this like little hole. So we're gonna poke. Whoa. Wow. It's like slippery hands today. Well, unfortunately, oh, never mind. Ow. Okay. Whoa. Hello Kitty just got like knocked over, I think. Hey, I'm a piggy. Woohoo. I'm gonna set that over there. And that was like the end of our prize packs, but we're not done. We still have two things left that I'm showing you. So I have these thingies that if you go to Chuck E. Cheese, you can actually get your picture taken on a little cart. And I have one that looks like this. That's me. And then this one's me without my glasses. And so that's all we have for today. This video. Hi. And thanks for watching.